Hi, very good morning. Welcome to the Kebri Dehar University Chemistry Laboratory. So today is the topic where we will discuss about the organic chemistry laboratory, which includes the recrystallization process. So, so let us have the overlook about the experiment, that is recrystallization of benzoic acid. So all the compounds, organic compounds, will be consisting of some impurities. So actually we should know the definition of recrystallization. Before that we should understand about the crystallization. What is crystallization? So organic compounds, many compounds are in solvent form, as a liquid form we can say. Sometimes we can say they are in crystalline form, solid nature. So every solid or even liquid also, we are discussing about the recrystallization of solid substances, solid particles. So the benzoic acid is a solid. It is a crystalline compound actually. Even then it still contains some impurities. How to purify the benzoic acid containing some impurities? So this is the basic level of experimentation for the sake of organic chemistry students. So in this recrystallization of benzoic acid, so there are some solvents that are used for recrystallization process. But before that, let us understand the definition of recrystallization. What is recrystallization? So we can see it's a purification technique of for solid compounds. An impure solid compound is mixed with hot solvent to form a saturated solution. As this solution cools, the solubility of the compound decreases and pure crystals grow from solution. So it's a very simple process where the crystalline compound like this benzoic acid, when it is mixed with the solvent, suitable solvent, maybe water is used as a suitable solvent, when we mix it with this hot water as a solvent, so it slowly dissolves in that water and forms a true solution. So after that, when we cool the same solution by means of using the ice bath or any ice crystals, it becomes again solidifies. As a result of it, the crystals will be formed. Those crystals are called as the pure crystals, and the remaining, the solution what is there, that can be discarded. So in this process, we will get the pure crystals of benzoic acid by this method. Very simple technique. So there are some criteria for recrystallization process. There are some criteria for the recrystallization process, if we see that. So a good solvent will have some characteristic properties. That is, a good solvent should not react at normal conditions. A good solvent doesn't react with any solid substance, organic substance. It will not react. A good solvent is not reacted at normal conditions. That is one point. Other one is a good solvent dissolve at high temperatures, hot conditions. It dissolves completely with the organic compound. And a good solvent dissolve in cold conditions also. This is about the nature of the solvent. And there are some types of impurities are there, that is insoluble impurities, soluble impurities, and partially soluble impurities. So the insoluble impurities means those will not dissolve even in hot conditions also. So when the benzoic acid, in the case, if you mix some sand as a insoluble impurities, as a soluble impurity, if we keep some sugar, it dissolves in that. And when we heat it, the sand does not react with this at hot condition. So that can be simply removed by means of filtration. And here the sugar completely soluble at hot condition with the compound, and therefore that will be dissolved. And partially soluble is also there, that can be very difficult to remove. Partially soluble compounds are difficult to remove. But here in this case, the sand can be removed by means of filtration. And the remaining sugar content, which is already dissolved with the compound benzoic acid, when cooled by using the crystals of ice, the crystals will be formed. That is, pure crystals of benzoic acid is formed, and the remaining solution can be consisting of sugar. So that solution can be discarded, and the crystals can be called as the pure crystals of benzoic acid, called as recrystallization process. And coming to purifying of impure solids. So in the process, as we are discussing, as it is in the process, purifying impure solid like benzoic acid can be purified by means of hot filtration method. And coming to the recrystallization process now, it dissolves the solid with little solvent. We should take the compound which is to be purified and mix it with the solvent in hot condition. Very little amount is needed, not more amount. And after that, slowly cool the substance slowly cool it by using the ice crystals, and it forms into the separately forms into the crystals, pure crystals. So this is about the introduction about the basic subject about the recrystallization of organic compounds. Now we can see here there is a flow chart is there here. We can see when it is pure what to do, when it is not pure what to do. We can understand from this flow chart. So this is about the short introduction regarding the recrystallization process. Okay, thank you.